Hi everyone, my name is Shruti Bungirwar. I have completed my bachelor's degree in computer engineering from St. Vincent Paroti College, which is located in Nagpur. And after that, I have came to JSpiders Wakat for upskilling my knowledge, where I have joined for Python full stack, where I have learned multiple technologies as like Python, SQL, Power BI, and also web technologies as like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And here the trainers are very humble and very good. They always ready to solve the students' problem. If student is having any kind of problem in their life also, or they are feeling stress, or they are also overcoming how to we have to behave in our company. And this institute is very good for training and placement. They are always giving us multiple opportunities, and here mostly they are taking mock, which helps student to grow their career. As like whenever mock is there, so they will handle, they know how to communicate with other person. So it is very good experience for me. It is very good experience in JSpiders Wakat, and now I have placed in Master One AI Technologies company, which is located in Kharadi, Pune. Thank you.